Yeah guys, so we had some very hard rain last night. I don't swear, I'm not sleep. We had a thunderstorm and right now the whole place mash up. So I'm trying to get footage because I've never been in this community when stuff like this happen. I've always heard about it. So right now I'm gonna try to catch it. I'm gonna show in the river and we're locked in because Fontill's bridge is washed away and Cedar Valley is flooded out. So right now we can't go nowhere. I'm gonna look on this. Don't so worse, no? Don't so worse.
Alex, get this black up, man. I chop to have a show. Up Alex. All the gold up there black.
Peeps, I saw the road still. Todd, how are you doing? Now there I look. I have to do everything by 8:30 because this will come back, you know. Yeah, it's a thunderstorm right now, down till tomorrow 10 o'clock. So peeps, you see that? One thing though, I can't complain, but I don't have to bother wash the car. Car clean. So peeps, the one that's down in the ground. So I think so down there so it worse. So guys, I'm going to show you the river. I'm now about to go out of the river because I'm not sure where it reached Panland. So I'm walking on the road, well, the road that is not here anymore. And remember the road I do, I'm going to show you a clip from the road there. Will come from one of the next video then. That's people yard. How are you dealing? I'll try to climb the mountain. Eh? May I tell you? Nothing normal up last night. So a truck was here, it's no longer here because our next gully block up here, so you know the road cut off like seriously up that side. So there we are down the road, climbing a mountain. So this is where the water should have been running, under this house and come out, but it's blocked, so the water take a next angle. Guys, the rain will come back as you notice. Somebody will call me and I'll show you what caused the flooding. Yeah, me here says a stone block the gully on us. Whoa, peeps, look here. This is the backyard of somebody's house. You can see that from the window. Like, water was just about to go inside of the house. See? That's what happened last night, peeps. My little girl here do that. So now the road block again. When the rain will come back. Phone waterproof, but I now use it in the rain. Yeah man, I tell you say yo, when I check the weather, them say the rain had done 10 o'clock last night. The rain done 2 minutes after 10.
Yes.
Them set up from about 8:30 this morning.
Yes.
So might as well
tomorrow.
this morning.
And
done tomorrow 10:30. So might as well we just listen to them because yo, It's a little bit of rain fall last night. Fall long
Yeah,
about
man.
5 or 6 hours straight, you know.
Yeah, man.
But watch
that's
it. Suppose if you fall harder than that. A tea or drink. I make you get one elite Jamaica cup them.
Oh,
Man.
yeah, sir.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Big up. Easy me. Up a rock me I walk well up on the river. All them stone you move. So the gully cut one road there, so.
I'm out there saying one of these when I come from pile up and then to take look like. I try and then I try and make a barrier. That's the water not over in the yard.
Well, could be.
Could be, you know.
That's one next barrier right there. So.
Like I didn't come out last night.
And if nothing no come over now, like the stone them and the thing them. I go in there. Me here say every chicken over here so wash wet. Yeah man, me here say every chicken wash over here so. Cause them there raise chicken or something like that.
Over, sir. Up.
Justin! You walk so fast, you afraid of water?
Y'all, you know, to look. You know, then we have man as well foot. We're on this one.
Go rub off the edge. Oh peeps, look on the river. Look on the river, I'm going to show you back clips from the river and the next video to show you how it stayed originally. And look on it now. Like, well, I'm afraid of the rock here and I don't want to roll down for me. Peeps, we're so lucky there wasn't a landslide right here. Because we always have landslide on us. So I'm going to see how best we can try to reach a fun hill. I mean, I can't get to drive to a fun hill, I think, and it's far to walk. And I've heard that it cut off. So I don't think I'm going to be going any further. I'll stop here and then go down the road. Go look how the police station stays. So peeps, that's the river. Whoa, there's right. This is how it is. Mud. Walk on the firm part.
Yeah.
Walk on the firm part. Yeah, peeps. Let's go on. Now, me now. Socks and slippers. Can't wear shoes in them time here. No, this is another blockage it seems like up here. Peeps, last night I fret so the car go wash right now. Because the water will come through me yard never normal. Once again, I want to thank the persons who donate to Elite Jamaica, the persons who have been donating credit, donating funds, and for the persons who have been donating gadgets like this cell phone, like the camera and stuff like that, so we can make videos and make better videos for that matter. Yeah man, so that I go on. So I'm bike up and I don't know how I come through. Down Sarers, no? Down Sarers. The big house, everything out on the road, because the gutter block, you know. But you can go on and see still. Yeah, peeps, so I don't think I'm gonna go any further as I think this is the last of it, but anyway, still have to go find out.
Clean out the leaf and then something.
Yeah, car. Yeah, man, that to cause flooding. Leakage?
Yeah.
Oh. Should have a machete chop off all that, don't?
Yeah.
John, no peeps, when I tell you, say the rain mush we down here now. The greatest thing is that everyone's safe. We don't hear about no casualties or nothing like that, and nobody even get hurt. In a 80, you know, the last count me get is that 28 persons had lost their life due to the tropical storm Laura passing over that country. So, it passed closer by to we now, to St. Thomas, from 8 o'clock this morning until about 10:30 tomorrow morning, they said. So, we're looking out for that.
Alright, then go on back down.
You see that one there? That one they cover before the rain start falling. Yeah, long time that cover up, man.
You want up there, so don't?
Yeah.
All this can go up, you know. This can go road. Valley that away.
Last night that come right to stop.
Rock, oh, no, rocking free there.
No, stop doing this.
Chavo! Chavo!
That can go up there, man.
No more patrol for them boys.
That can, you know that can go up there. That can go up there, man.
Better do that.
Don't know what discover anything as someone drive some van some dangerous place. Then when I can go up there, just we petrol vehicle them, you know. You see me?
I go up there, let's see how them go.
Let them go.
Dirty twin. Are you from
You know, say funnily, if you pass up your sign and stuck on a, you know, it's stuck on a rock.
I push it out the road. Walk along the road, I was so hard going to, you know. Good, people on the side of that.
Down the road now, go now.
Come in, sir. I don't a river.
Yeah, peeps, now may I go down the road, go look, we're going for the police station, the post office and the cemetery. And if there are any more blockages. Wanna be that guy? I see that on camera. Yeah man, I don't hear some say me I come park last night, I never trust up the say no car through the water run through the yard side. I never want to wake up this morning and see a car down on the road down here, so.
I'm more fun. Here water. Here all sitting me see a come down.
Yeah peeps, so the rain is coming back again. Yeah peeps, so many persons have been saying that they haven't seen the road being flooded like this before. It's the first time that they're actually seeing the road being flooded like this. So all the people up on the road and them thing there. So I walk further down the road to see what happened down here. So the police station over here. Seems that everything is in good and in working order. See the van I try come up the road a while ago, but them reverse and go back to the station like them suspects of them now can't cross it. Just a donkey man so far, me see we get a chance. Yeah guys, yeah, I go down the road. Follow me.